everyone, it's Diane here from the Diane Antone studio. Welcome to a short demonstration of painting a little chickadee, very popular little bird in America. I'm not going to narrate this one, this is just a demo. Some of it's speeded up, some of it isn't, some of it's missing, some of it isn't, and I will be doing a proper full detailed tutorial of this one shortly. So keep watching, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel please, and that you have clicked on the bell so that you get notifications when new things come up. That way you won't miss anything. So here's a quick sneak peek at an upcoming tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it.